What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my Microlocs now that I am 4 months into my DIY Microlocs journey. And I'm just so excited to be at this point because by now I've learned a lot of things and I've had some discovery and I've really learned a lot about my hair within the last 4 months. I know a lot of people, as they're looking through different people's journeys, they like to see how the hair has progressed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my hair has looked like since day one. Okay, so now that you guys have seen what my hair has looked like since day one, I'm gonna kind of come up closer and show you guys what my hair is doing now. Because there's something bigger than me. I know, this whole thing's bigger than me. There's something bigger than me. I know. So from this angle, you can get a really good view of my grid. I just interlocked my hair a couple days ago, and this is kind of what my hair is looking like. My lines are still pretty straight, and I've interlocked my hair myself each time. Where's my center part? Yep, it's still there. I don't wear my hair down the middle anymore because I've really grown into this whole deep side part. And I know that's like the style that everybody likes to wear their hair, but I know it just gives my hair a little more volume in the front, and it really does frame my face really nicely. But this is probably one of the most simple, easy maintenance hairstyles that I've ever had. And I know on the front end, the investment is very long. Like, you have to sit there and either twist or interlock your hair. And it takes a long time at the very beginning of the process, but that time investment is well worth it in the beginning, because after you've interlocked your hair and after that whole initial process, every day after that is like, you wake up in the morning, you spray your hair with rose water and glycerin or whatever your regimen is for the moisture. I think that part is really crucial because our hair needs water. I know some people have different opinions on that, but my personal regimen is to spray my hair with water, rose water, and then this leave-in conditioner mix. And I know a lot of people don't like to use leave-in conditioner, but you have to think about it. Our hair is still hair and it still needs moisture. So yeah, I use that every morning, and it really helps to bring my hair back to life. And as you guys can see, it's really nice and thick. My hair is really, really nice and thick, and it has plenty of body. I haven't started to see any length yet because, you know, it is still locking. It is still going through the process of locking. And my hair kind of still does look like twists, but if you can see, the twists are starting to kind of take on this form right here. So all the way up the lock, you kind of see this spiral situation happening. And I think that's part of the process of the locking. See, this one here is doing that whole spiral curl going all the way down the lock. So that's pretty much where my hair is right now. Like, it's forming, it's starting to slowly form the lock. But yeah, I'm still using the same products, not washing my hair very often. Probably like once every 2 or 3 weeks. I do interlock my hair. about once every 6 weeks. And I wait until I have about an inch of growth right on my scalp, and then I go ahead and interlock. I don't necessarily have like a specific date that amount of time that I like to wait. I just wait until I feel like there's about an inch or so of growth. Since day one, I've always wrapped my hair just to make sure that I don't have any lint or buildup or anything happening in the back or anywhere in my hair. I think I've done a pretty good job of keeping the lint and stuff out of my hair. I don't wear a lot of sweaters. Now, I do love sweaters, don't get me wrong. I do love sweaters, but I try to make sure that when I'm wearing sweaters, I wear my hair up. Like, I don't wear my hair up often, but like if I'm wearing a sweater, I'll wear my hair up just to make sure that my hair is away from any cloth or lint. But yeah, that's my 4-month update. I didn't really have much to update you guys on because my hair is not making much of a change right now since the 3-month Microloc update. The only thing is that my hair's all over, my locks all over are starting to form like this zigzag. And my ends, they're curling up pretty nicely. Even more than last month. So that's about the only update. I have really nice curls on the end. The bottom, let's see, the bottom of my hair seems to be really close to being locked. And I think this happens with almost everybody, but that lock in the very back tends to be like the very first one to lock. So that pretty much wraps up my video. If you have any questions about my DIY Microlocs journey, please do not hesitate to comment down below. If you've continued watching until the very end, thank you so much for your support. And please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you can be updated every time I post a new video. Well, with all that being said, thank y'all so much. I will be posting more videos. One of my next videos is going to be a video of me showing you guys how I interlock my hair. And then I'm also going to show you guys my wash day routine. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.